Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Remote Life with Jacq. I'm excited to share today's remote job leads with you all. We have customer support coordinator and appeals role, plus overnight and evening opportunities for you as well. Make sure you stick around until the end so you don't miss any of today's openings. So let's jump right into it. Our first role is a seasonal healthcare customer service representative. For this role, they are available within those 29 locations. So if you're within the 29 locations and you're looking for that seasonal healthcare role, this is a perfect role for you. So what you will do in this role, you will answer a high volume of inbound calls from healthcare members, assist with benefit coverage and healthcare related questions, as well as resolve customer issues using one call resolution. You will also document customer interactions and meet quality attendance and performance goals. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, strong customer service and communication skills, and you must be comfortable handling high call volume and multitasking. This is a great fit for anyone that's looking for that solid entry-level remote healthcare role and someone who's also looking for that seasonal healthcare role. If you're interested, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from All One Health as an intake specialist. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. The schedule for this role is Monday through Friday, 3 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're looking for that evening shift, this is a perfect role for you. The salary range starts at $16, ending at $17, which all depends on location and experience. So what you would do in this role, you will answer incoming calls from employees seeking employee assistance program services. You will gather client information and complete intake documentation. You will screen for urgent concerns and transfer high-risk callers to licensed counselors. You will connect clients with counselors, affiliates, providers, and community resources, as well as maintain accurate records. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, strong customer service, communication, and computer skills, and you must be available to work Monday through Friday, 3 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is a great entry-level remote healthcare role for someone looking to break into behavioral health or employee support services. So if you're interested in the intake specialist, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Humana as a compliance coordinator. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So what you would do in this role, you would generate approval and adverse benefit determination letters for Medicaid utilization management. You will ensure all communications meet Medicaid and compliance requirements. You will review reports to identify trends and potential compliance risks, as well as maintain production and quality standards while working independently. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, 1 year of healthcare or related experience, 1 year of data entry experience, and they would like for you to have knowledge of Medicaid utilization management, medical terminology, or ICD-10 codes. For this role, the hours worked must be in Eastern Standard Time Zone with rotating schedules for weekends and holidays. For this role, the salary starts at $43,000 and then at $56,000, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is an excellent remote healthcare administrative role for candidates who enjoy detail-oriented work with minimum phone time. So if you're interested in the compliance coordinator with Humana, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role from Humana is a appeals rep. This position is fully remote, available in 48 locations. So if you're within those 48 locations and you're interested, the link is in the description to apply. So what you will do in this role, you will review and process Medicare, Medicaid appeal cases. You will research clinical documentation and claims to determine the appeal outcome. You will coordinate with clinical teams and internal departments to resolve member and provider issues, as well as prepare accurate documents while meeting quality, productivity, and CMS standards. You must also be able to manage a high volume caseload while maintaining confidentiality. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, 1 or more years of grievance and appeals experience. They would like to see strong data entry skills and 1 or more years with Outlook experience. For this role, again, it is full-time remote that provides coverage for the Eastern Time Zone hours. Training will be for 6 to 8 weeks, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. For this role, the salary does start at $48,000, ending at $65,000, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is one of the most high-paying remote healthcare supporting roles that are currently hiring with minimum phone work. So if you are interested in this position, the link is in the description to apply. Our last two roles come from CVS. The first role is an associate with OmniCare. This is a overnight role, so if you are looking for that evening or overnight role, this is a great role for you. This position is available in 49 locations. So again, if you're within those 49 locations, the link is in the description to apply. So what you will do in this role, you will review, research, and resolve rejected or denied pharmacy claims. You will prepare and resubmit claims to ensure timely reimbursement. Communicate with nursing facilities, physician's office, and insurance companies to resolve claim issues, as well as help reduce claim backlogs while meeting accuracy and productivity standards. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, 1 year of pharmacy-based experience, and 1 year of customer service experience. You must have the ability to work overnight schedule Monday through Friday, 9 p.m. to 5:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. For this role, the salary starts at $17, ending at $34, which all depends on your location and experience, and they anticipate the application to close on August the 8th. So if you are looking for that overnight role and less phone intensive role, this is a great role for you. The link is in the description to apply. Our last role from CVS is a patient support specialist. This is a full-time remote role available in 51 locations. So if you're available in those locations and you're interested, the link is in the description to apply. So what you will do in this role, you will answer inbound calls from patients regarding Minute Clinic and virtual care services. You will assist with appointments, billing, insurance coverage, claims reimbursements, and account questions, as well as protect patient information by following HIPAA guidelines. You will deliver accurate, compassionate, and timely customer service. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED, 1 year of customer service experience, and a high volume call center preferred. You must have proficiency with Microsoft Office, and you must be available to work Monday through Friday between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. For this role, salary starts at $17, ending at $34, which all depends on your location and experience, and they do anticipate the application to close on August the 15th. So this is a great entry point into healthcare customer service support with a known well employer, and it's a competitive pay up to $34. So if you are interested in the patient support specialist with CVS, the link is in the description to apply. All right, folks, that's it for today's job leads. If one of these roles fit what you have been looking for, don't sit on it. Remote jobs like this move fast, and the best ones get filled quickly. Tap in, apply smart, and I will catch you in the next video drop. Thank you for watching.